In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access dividend data in Tradingview. If you track income from stocks or simply want to understand how dividends affect price action, Tradingview gives you two clear ways to see that information. Right on the chart for quick visual cues and in the dividend calendar for a fuller picture of what's coming up and what's already been paid. Let's start directly on the chart. Open the stock chart you are analyzing. Then right-click anywhere on the chart to bring up the context menu. Choose Settings, and in the window that opens, navigate to the Events tab here. Check the box labeled Dividends. The moment you enable it, you'll see small D icons appear along the price chart at the points where dividends were recorded. These markers are your at-a-glance map of a company's dividend history. Hover your cursor over any D icon to reveal the key details, like the ex-face dividend date and the per-face share amount. The ex-date is especially important because it tells you the cutoff for being eligible to receive the dividend. If you buy the stock on or after the ex-face date, you won't receive that payout. If your chart starts to feel crowded, you can always return to the same settings page to toggle dividends off or fine-tune other events, so you keep your view clean while you study trends. For a broader overview, use the dividend calendar. At the top menu, go to Products. Then select Calendars, and choose Dividends. This page pulls together upcoming dividends, recently announced payouts, and historical distributions. It's a convenient way to scan what's ahead for the week or month and to spot patterns in a company's consistency. You can confirm whether a dividend is scheduled, see how frequently it's paid, and review amounts that have already been announced. Think of this as your planning hub if you are tracking multiple tickers or timing entries around ex-face dividend dates. The calendar view keeps everything in one place. A couple of quick tips to make the most of what you see. On the chart, remember that price gaps around dividend dates can reflect the dividend being paid out, so a drop the morning after the ex-date isn't necessarily bad news. It's often just the payout being priced in. On the calendar, use the layout to compare upcoming versus recent events so you understand both what's next and how the company has behaved historically. And as always, consider double-fact-checking critical dates with official company announcements if you are planning trades around them. That's it. Thanks for watching.